The Dorbar Nongkseh conducted a consumer awareness program to educate the residents that, as consumers, it is important to check for overpricing and cheating by retailers and others. The residents were encouraged to file their complaints, if any, to the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Deputy Commissioner P.T. Pasa said that under the Act, consumers have their rights to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, to be heard, to seek redressal and right to consumer education.
The issue I think that Japan Hop Jockey could be not consumer when it comes to right to safety. To be hit in the contam di bang, jadi tidak hok panjang di kiman tiba biang. Kemudian letak baar bagi orang letak right to information. Siapa pun hit dia, kau mesti baik ni dapat tip lupa. Hit dia, kemudian hit, bila sih hit bang, kemudian ni dia bang.